Right out. Went in.
You ready to go? You want to go to the beach? Let's go.
Yeah.
I know. Oh. Thought you wanted me to hold it. Para acá, para acá. Chayo.
Ready for the rapture. Ready for the venture. Are we in Grand Cayman?
No.
Say Grand Cayman.
No.
Yeah. There you see Grand Cayman. There we go. Yes. One, two, three. One more. Hold it. Yes. Oh, handsome. One more. Do it. Come on. Perfect. Yes. Thank you. Look at the camera and smile. 1, 2, 3. Rock and roll. Yes. Perfect. Amazing. Thank you very much. Which is your cabin number, my friend? 1652. 1652. You want a picture? Welcome to the Cayman. You want a picture? Welcome to the Cayman. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you with the stingrays. See you with the turtles. You're going to the excursion?
No.
Just walking around to the beach?
Yeah.
Come on, my friend.
Thank you. See you later.
There's our boat.
There's a big ass fish out there.
You saw a big.
This big from the top of the water.
You saw a big fish?
2 of them. Here. They're bigger. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Might have been down further.
Oh, we're walking the sand.
When you guys need some snacks or drinks, right here, cool water.
Thank you so much.
I got cheers. How you doing, Molly? I got cheers.
Welcome guys, welcome to the island.
Thank you.
When you guys ready to eat and drink, we give free samples of the food here. Jerk chicken, oxtail, curry chicken, coconut shrimp. We have full sodas, walnuts, natural chicken, chocolate, strawberry,
Oh my God.
Very nice.
Everything. Okay. Yeah, we're going to the water.
That chicken smells good.
What?
Chicken smells good. I'm coming back for some of that. That smells good. Yeah.
No, we're okay for right now, but thank you.
Man, look how far the boats are away.
How much?
Morning, it's 25 for two.
Let us think about it.
If you have 20 dollars in the website can go, you get free Wi-Fi, free phone.
Is it any of these chairs?
Look, there's a car out there.
Oh my god, I want to get in.
There's a car on the water.
You want here or do you want to be
I guess the front.
You might need more.
You need
More chairs?
I don't sit in the chairs.
Is that board? Is that floaty?
You gotta put sunscreen on it, and then you gotta let it sit, and then you get in the water, okay? Okay, Addie, you wanna get in the water?
Yeah, after.
You gotta put your sunscreen on. Let's do it.
Here, that's a big lid.
You guys ready to go in the water?
Yeah.
Hopefully it gets warm, warms up for you.
No.
We'll get used to it.
I mean, the part of my leg that's been in it is fine, but... Okay. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know about that.
I like that.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, it's fun.
What a nice beach. See the cruise ships in the background there. Ours is the one on the left. Look at Allie's having fun in the water, floating on her own. Alright, time for me to get in the water too. There's Banana.
Huh?
You having fun? You like this beach?
Having fun at the beach.
You like this beach?
Watching all the people.
You like this beach?
I like this beach. Beautiful.
You gonna get in the water?
Soon.
It's pretty cold, but I think we'll be used to it pretty quick.
Yeah, I won't be out there long.
Alright, well I'm getting in.
We don't have no towels.
Adeline, you having fun?
Yeah.
You gonna get more wet sand?
That's $7.
We're gonna get some water. More water for my bucket.
Okay, go get it.
Keep moving. Here you go. Here's your hat.
Adeline,
What?
move in front of the chair, please.
What?
Go up there.
What? Over there?
There.
Right there?
Look at my hand. Right here.
This? Right.
Move in front of the chair.
Your body in the front of Daddy's foot. Your body.
My body.
Your body in front of Daddy.
Let's
Let me put it a different way for you. Get away from her. Go over here.
You can go too far.
Look at this one. Move away from the person that doesn't want to be just bumped. With your head. You got a big head. You're pretty. Okay, take this over there.
Waiting for the tender tickets. We're really kind of wasting.
Yeah, that's the brand of bread. Oh crap! I lost my bag! Oh my god! That's the coffee place. You go get it?
Okay.
You and Sean go get it.
Let's go down there. Just the short hair.
Yeah, right here.
Right here.
How a chicken lives.
That's their squirrel.
You cool girl? Come on, let's go.